Hi, this is Teacher Giovanni and welcome to Minds Online Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the area of the shaded portion in this figure. This figure has two shapes involved. We have a square and a circle. Now, in order for us to find the area of the shaded part, we need to consider the formula in finding the area of a square and a formula in finding the area of the circle. So we have A is equal to side times side, or S times S, or S squared. We also have the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So these two formula are very important in order for us to solve the area of the shaded portion. First, we're gonna solve the area of a square, but the problem here, there's no dimension given for the sides of a square. We only have the dimension of the radius, which is equal to 4 meters. So we're gonna use this one to find the measurement or the dimension of the sides of the square. Let's consider the circle. Remember that all the radii inside a circle are equal to each other. If the radius measures 4 meters, the rest of the radii also measures 4 meters. So let's say, for example, we're gonna make another radius here. When you say radius, it is a line connecting the center and any point on a circle. So we have here another radius, so that is also equal to 4 meters because the measurement of all the radii inside a circle are equal. Now, take note that this circle is fitted inside a square, right? So let's make a radius connecting this point here and a center. Alright, and of course that is also equal to 4 meters. And let's make another radius connecting the center and to the opposite side of the square you have here, forming one diameter. And take note that a diameter has 2 radii, right? So if the radius measures 4 meters, so the diameter measures 8 meters. Okay, because radius is just half of the diameter. So since the diameter is equal to 8 meters, so the measurement of this side is also equal to 8 meters. Since this is a square, it means that the measurement of all the sides of the square is also equal to 8 meters. So if this is 8 meters here, this is also 8 meters, this is 8 meters, and this is 8 meters. So since we already have the dimensions of our square, we can now solve for the area of the square. So let's gonna do it first. So area is equal to S is equal to 8, so that is 8 meters times 8 again. So 8 times 8, so that would be 64. Then multiply meters times meters, so that would be meters squared. So the area of the square is equal to 64 meters. Now let's proceed to the area of the circle. We have area is equal to pi, which is equivalent to 3.14 times the radius, which is equal to 4 meters, so that is 4 meters squared. So we have area is equal to 3.14 times 4 meters squared, that is the same as 4 meters times 4 meters. So 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. Meters times meters, that is equal to meters squared. So we multiply 3.14 times 16. Alright, here. So we multiply 6 times 4, that is 24. We put 4 there and carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. So we multiply 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And we're gonna add them. So we put 4 here. We bring down. 8 plus 4 is 12. We put 2 here and carry 1 above 8. So 1 plus 8 plus 1, that is equal to 10. We put 0 here. and then carry 1. We're gonna add 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And now let's have the decimal point in between 0 and 2 because we have 2 decimal places here. So the answer is equal to 50.24 meters squared. That is the area of the circle. Now the area of the two shapes are complete. This time we have to find the area of the shaded part. Now let's try to imagine that we're gonna take this circle out from this square. So that means we're gonna say that we have to subtract the area of the square by the area of a circle. So that would be area of the square minus area of the circle is equal to the area of the shaded part. So what's the area of the square? That is equal to 64 meters squared minus the area of the circle is equal to 50.24 meters squared. Now let's gonna subtract 64 minus 50.24. Remember, 64 is a whole number while 50.24 is a decimal number. We cannot subtract them easily, so we're gonna put 20 here after 64 so we can subtract correctly. So 0 minus 4 cannot be, so we're gonna borrow from the next digit. So this will become 9 and 4 will become 3 and the last 0 will become 10. Right, so 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, and 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Just copy the decimal point. So the answer here is area is equal to 13.76 meter squared. So this is the area of the shaded part. Alright, so this portion here, the shaded portion, that is equal to 13.76 meters squared. So that's all for today, and I hope you learned something on how to solve an area of the shaded portion of a particular figure like this. So again, this is Teacher Giovanni saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you are willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!